Hello, I'm Brad Byerman. I'm with Texas Automation Systems. People ask me all the time, what's the biggest issue I see in upstream oil and gas? Or what's the number one thing I hear from clients in terms of issues or problems they have? And for me, the number one issue I hear about is the lack of real-time data. Real-time data in terms of production data and measurement data. That lack of real-time data doesn't allow them to optimize their production. And it also doesn't allow them to prevent potential safety issues or environmental non-compliance issues. Not to mention the fact that when you're manually recording, in which most people are if they're not doing it in real time, manually recording that data, you can get inaccurate data when you're transposing the data. And also that process is very labor intensive. And when you're living in a $40 or $50 barrel oil economy, labor costs are a huge portion of your production cost. So the ability to automate is very attractive to a lot of clients. When we talk to them about solutions, we talk to them about digitizing or networking their field measurement and production data, aggregating all of that in the field, bringing it back into the network so that they can see it at their headquarters. A lot of customers have moved to what they call remote operation centers. So that data is available to them and they can make real-time production decisions. They can be alerted of potential safety or environmental non-compliance issues. And that's really important to a lot of customers and allows them to be much more efficient. The other thing that we talk about is how we're going to implement that. We're going to digitize, we're going to bring it all into a network. How are we going to do that? Are we going to do it wired or are we going to do it wirelessly? A lot of times we do it one or the other, but more times than not, we end up doing it in a hybrid configuration. That means that in some cases it makes more sense to bring in wired data into the control system or into the RTUs. And sometimes it means that it's more convenient or safe or efficient in terms of cost or time to bring it in wirelessly. But we bring it all in and then we get that data back to headquarters by a variety of means. You can bring it back via a wireless backhaul and connect it to wired backhaul that takes it back to the headquarters. You can also bring it in via cellular, which is fairly expensive, but in some cases it's your best option. And if you can't get cellular and you can't get it wired, you can bring it in via VSAT or satellite communications. All these are options, and what we like to do with customers is sit down and discover what's the most important thing to each client, what their particular circumstances are in terms of geography and assets, and then come back with a proposal that really meets their needs exactly the way they need them met. Hope this has been informative, and if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.